Is the following situation possible? If so, determine the present age. So the question is asking us check if it's true, Is it possible? I mean, is whatever the question given, will we get a real number answer? You know? So that's the question. So let's see the question itself. The sum of the ages of two friends is 60 years. Sorry, 20 years. So that's your first equation. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Verify using your code. Now, let's first thing is this is age related problem. So when we're looking at diagram, we need to draw 3 lines. So we're looking at present being x and y. So the past is x minus 4 and y minus 4. Why is that we're subtracting with 4? Because we're talking about past, right? 4 years ago. So that's past. So minus 4 years. And there's no future, so this line will not matter. And the next thing which we need to do is write a statement that let x represent the present age of person 1 and y the present age of person 2. Okay, then let's look into the given. Now let's look into the given. Let us read the question again properly and write it in equation form. The sum. So sum is addition of the ages. So their present ages x and y. When they tell ages, and there's no past or future being referred over here. So they're talking about present age. So present age is x plus y. Sum of their ages is equal to 20. So we can mention here that x is greater than y just in case. So x is greater than y. Right? This is your first equation. The second equation is 4 years ago. So we're talking about this scenario. The product of their ages. So we're looking at the product that's equal to 48. And now we're looking at y is equal to 20 minus x. Right? We need an equation. For that, we need to substitute. We'll call this as equation 1. We'll call this as equation 2. So let's substitute y from 1 into 2. So we have x minus 4 into 20 minus x minus 4 is equal to 48. So we have x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. Right? So for the simplification will give us x times of 16 minus x minus 4 times of 16 minus x is equal to 48. So we have 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x is equal to 48. Right? So let's look at the like terms. And we have 20x minus 1x square minus 64 is equal to 48. Let's transpose it. We have plus 1x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. Right? Okay, that's correct. Now we got the equation. Now we can look into the condition. Is the following situation possible? To check if the following situation is possible, we looking at the formula and substitution. So formula is d being equal to p square minus 4 into a into c. So b here is minus 20 square minus 4 into 1 into 112. So clearly the value is negative, right? The difference is negative, and so the answer is what? The answer is D is lesser than 0. So we have thus Okay, before that, we need to mention this. As d is less than 0, this implies roots are not real. Okay, right? So let's verify this with our code. So we're looking at the equation is 1 minus 20 and 122. 1 minus 20 and 112. And you can see the roots are imaginary. And we can see the graph too. So we can clearly see it's altogether somewhere else, right? It's nowhere touching the x-axis. So yes, we have the right answer. So now we can pause and have a look.